What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul, but home decor slash furniture edition. So I'm super excited. I just moved into a new house if you're new here, and I've been decorating like crazy. So I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff I've been picking up for different rooms all over the house. My style is kind of like modern farmhouse, so if you like that type of vibe, then keep watching. I have a lot of good affordable finds that kind of fall into that category. I will link all of my other house tours and home decor videos below, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys all my latest purchases. Let's go. Everything per usual will be linked in the description box down below if you guys want links to all of these products, and let's get started. Okay, so just to preface before we dive in, my style is kind of like modern farmhouse meets bohemian meets like a Bali beach house. That's kind of like the vibe that I'm going for. I know that makes no sense, but that's the best I can describe my style. So just keep that in mind as we walk through the pieces. So this first piece I just love, and I use it to accessorize my kitchen, and it's such an eye catcher. Every time that someone comes over, they always ask me about it, but it's basically this long wooden bowl that we keep all of our fruits and vegetables in, and it's actually like supposed to be like a dough bowl. That's like what it says on online, but yeah, it just looks kind of like carved and wooden and very farmy, and I'm obsessed with it. Probably my most favorite piece in the house and like my best find, and these are my black rattan bar stools. Now these are super cool, and rattan is like so trendy and modern right now, and I really like the vibe of these. I feel like they just totally give the house a little modern edge that still feels kind of like beachy and laid back, but also farmy, and it's just really cool. These bar stools like encapsulate my style to a T, and I love the black color. They come in multiple colors, I think white, gray, and like a natural and a black, but we have black light fixtures, so I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I think they fit perfectly in the house, and they kind of tie everything together. So I will be linking these down below, and I know there are other colors available too if you don't want the black. And I'm telling you guys, bar stools are hard to find, but when I found these, I knew they were the ones, and I'm just absolutely obsessed. Shipping was great, super easy, love them. Next are these white wishbone chairs that I have at my dining room table, or actually we have like two kind of eating areas, so this is one of them. But these are super affordable. They're really popular. You've probably seen them a lot on Pinterest, but they're kind of just like a wishbone style chair, and they can be really expensive, but these ones are really affordable. They're only like 100 or 150 per chair on Amazon, and I ordered them in white with like a natural woven seat, but I love how simple they are. They're very modern. They're almost like Norwegian style, but they just look amazing against the black table, and they look so cute with a little sheepskin thrown over top, and they're just the perfect chair, and they're super affordable. So I'll link these down below as well. They come in literally a million colors, so if white is not what you're looking for, they will definitely have a chair for you in this style, but I think the style is like what makes it the best. So any color would be amazing in your house if you have like a different colored table, but I got the white ones. All right, next is this other chair that I got actually for my office, and this I got a while back, but I thought I would include in here because it's so cute, and I would have maybe done these for my dining room table if I didn't already have it for my office. But they're these beautiful chairs by Safavieh, I think is the name of the brand, and they're like this woven kind of bohemian seat, but the shape is super modern, very similar to the chairs that I just showed, and I just love this chair. Like, it is my obsession, and it's perfect for my office. It's kind of modern, but with a boho vibe, and very neutral, and just the best. But these would look amazing at a dining table if you've been looking for chairs, or you can get a single one for your office or wherever you want to put them. But I think they're gorgeous and very similar to the other ones, like I said, but just a little bit of a different vibe. Okay, next actually I have a few rugs that I want to show you guys. Rugs to me like really make a space. Like, they make the home feel so much more cozy, so much more complete. They add texture and interest, and they're really important, and I found some really really cheap, affordable rugs on Amazon that I think look pretty expensive. So the first one is this kind of white cream sequin rug that I put under my dining room table, and to me it looks like very Moroccan, kind of vintage, and much more expensive than it actually is. The sequins aren't like shiny and glam and glitzy, they're kind of like rusty and not rusty but faded, and it just looks perfect I think under my wood table. I really wanted something to contrast against the wood, was something really light and bright that was gonna kind of like lift it and make it feel a little bit more airy and lightweight. So I think the two balance each other out really well, like the cream against the wood. What do you guys think? I love it. I'm obsessed with this rug. It also comes in a really deep charcoal gray that I will also link below. Yeah, so if you have like a light floors or like a white bedroom, you could pop that in there and it would look stunning. I also like it too because it's kind of flat. It's not like too fluffy or shaggy, where I feel like in a dining room, you don't want something that's like feels really plush and like luxurious. To me, that just doesn't really match like an eating space. That's more of like a relaxation, cozy area. You want something really squishy and like fluffy, but this is nice and flat. It goes with the vibe of the dining room, and yeah, I just love it. Okay, next is the rug that I actually put in my entryway, and to me this one gives a little bit more of a bohemian vibe out of all of the kind of styles that I'm showing you guys, but it's kind of has this like diamond pattern that's almost like southwestern, which I think makes it feel really, really bohemian. But I love the gray with the white detail. I think it's just a really nice contrast. I went with a lot of really light rugs in my house, and so this is like kind of the only gray one in the whole area. I might change it to a different room, but I do love the pattern and I think it's really pretty. Nice and simple, and doesn't have any tassels or frills on the outside. It's just basic and clean, and I think it also comes in like a lighter color with gray accents, like the reverse. Yeah, super cute. Next is just a little runner that I actually have right in front of my kitchen island. So this is kind of like a braided, very like beachy feeling material rug that comes in a million different sizes, tons of different colors, but this one is like the bleached white color, and I just like it because it's really neutral. I always try to tie together all my different styles in the different rooms, and this room I felt like it needed to feel a little bit more Bali, a little bit more beachy, so I feel like this rug is definitely that, and it definitely gives off the beach vibes. So it's the perfect runner. I love the way it looks, I love the color, and I do have to say it does shed a little bit. It's perfect, super cute, really great, simple rug, and comes in a million colors. All right, next, this is kind of like a smaller purchase, but I thought it was really cool. I have so much jewelry, like I love jewelry and accessories. For some reason, jewelry boxes just don't really work for me, and so I was looking for another way to kind of display my jewelry. And I was looking on Amazon one day and I found these kind of like trays and stands for your necklaces and your different accessories. So I thought I'd show them to you guys. They're really cheap and just cute, and they look cute on your dresser. But this one is kind of like for your necklaces, and you can hang them, so you can literally see all of them in one place standing up. It's so convenient. And then I also got these little velvet kind of like suede cream colored trays, and these are great for like sunglasses, earrings, rings, and just like putting your stuff and making it look really cute, really chic. They look really cute in Instagram photos, and they also kind of decorate the dresser nicely without having like your accessories feel super cluttered. It's just nice and organized and like clean. And I love the textures of both, like the soft creamy velvet, and then this one is a little bit more like beachy tweed feeling. So I just love them, and I think they're a really good like Amazon find. Next is this macrame stool that is actually right behind me now, but this is super cute. I love to use it just like as an accent in different rooms. I think I might actually put it next to the bed in one of my guest bedrooms, just because like as sort of like a nightstand. I've seen a lot of stools be used as nightstands, and I think it's really cool. It's just like for flavor, and I love the knitted top. I feel like it gives it a boho vibe, but still nice modern feel, and it just looks really cute with like something simple on it, some books, whatever, easy, but just a cute little stool that I love. For the big kahuna, this item is amazing. I actually got my bed on Amazon, and I just wanted something really, really simple, white, kind of linen-y feeling, really clean, and honestly, my dream bed would be from Restoration Hardware, but I cannot buy everything from Restoration Hardware or would literally be broke. So I found this one that was kind of the closest thing to the bed that I wanted on Amazon. It's by the brand Skyline. It's really weird because the color online does not look white, but when I looked at the reviews, I was like, okay, no, the bed is white. And when it came, it is definitely white, or it's kind of like an off-white, as you can see here. The best, just most simple bed, really affordable, and just a really clean, basic silhouette. Like, great affordable bed, and it comes in so many colors. It also comes in like a velvet material, if velvet is like more your vibe. Again, I'm going for more of like a beachy thing, so I went with this linen-y material, but I will link the velvet one below as well, and it comes in so many different colors, you guys. Like, and it's just nice because it's just a really simple silhouette. You could use this bed no matter what your style is, if it's modern, traditional, boho, if it's glam. Like, this bed pretty much fits anybody's taste. But yes, I love this bed so far. We've been loving it. Really simple, and just lets me accessorize the rest of the room around it without it like taking over too much. Okay, and last but not least, I actually got this little clothing rack from Amazon. I love, again, like the black accents, because I have, like I said, my light fixtures are black, and I love like mixing wood and black and white and like all neutrals. So this clothing rack just comes kind of disassembled. It's really easy to put together, but it's cute because it rolls around. It has a little wood bottom for your shoes, and just like nice black hardware, and it's a very simple, clean line, really affordable, and it's really easy to transport. I've moved from California with it, and I just kind of like collapse it down. It's really cute, really easy, and I just have it in my office, and I put like my newest like fashion finds on it, and I think it's so cute. All right, you guys, that's it for this time for this Amazon home decor haul. What do you guys think? Please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more home decor stuff, I can totally keep buying home stuff. I have no problems doing that if you guys want to see it. I can definitely continue to do like house updates and stuff like that. So leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite piece was, or if you have any questions on the items I bought. I respond to almost all of my comments, and I love talking to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time.